only just them just pussy. They don't know nothing about woman.
You don't know about woman?
Yeah.
You don't know for
And they don't know how to treat a woman good.
You don't know for cheat a woman?
Come see them beat woman and back to them and do that.
That's why you're angry.
Talk it hard. Man.
Hard?
Yes.
Ram it hard.
Yes.
A woman we love smell, mean the smell man.
Nah, trouble no more.
Continue going trouble.
I don't know why, you know.
Now I should thump in
I
more.
just beg me a little smell.
You know
I
what?
love smell woman, I no smell man. Me see man a smell me and I no like it. Kuya! Kuya! Me see man a watch me clothes to me a want. And I say, after you didn't change your brief from yesterday, how them know that? Man, you know. Kuya! I mean, I expect that from man. Kuya! I mean, I watch man. I mean, I smell man. Me smell woman.
Don't you make man a wash your beef?
Kuya, then I see man them here. Kuya, they know when me change brief and when me change charges. They must smell me. Kuya.
What you have done?
Yeah, man. I don't laugh.
Yeah. Yeah. Uncle, start laughing.
I don't laugh that.
Make a bend on top of the lamp.
Uncle, yeah.
Make a second boss.
Yeah. Yeah, dear. Yeah.
Hey, so DJ, what you tell me say? So if a man come in and you find out that man they come in your house and fuck your woman, you not run the egg yelly?
No, man. Then wait. That's why easy you give man for you, man. Some man can just see where the woman all along the go on. And I say, bombard, the boy especially get nice, I say, man, and I go on. And the fact that he can music and get a fuck off, right? And you just give me woman for text up. No, man, you have to come better than that.
Then I see him, you want the woman.
Take where you take and go on, and my one. Me not let it go, man. You would have take on that take, but me not give no woman so easy.
I love you, man.
No, man. I'm me,
Hey, everybody, you, man.
I'm here, keep him, man. Me not run it.
People can't think that's a boy.
What's your name, man? We no follow me, man. Virgin, you never know woman, man. A man take peace and fight. Don't run no man, get nobody, man.
So you say, you don't mind the bone you get as long as I have you
I
oven?
don't glad for the bone, but since you have right, man, work with me,
You say,
woman.
as long as I have you oven?
Yes, man. Me can't give a woman so easy, man. So, when you comment and tell me if you don't give a woman so easy, yeah? Yes, man.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man. Don't tell me if you don't give a woman.
Alright.
Ready? Temper them have a pooping temper. Poop from January straight back to December. Some people poop and them don't remember. Have a little one and what you call it. Tush. Lawyers and doctors are poop up the place. Nurses and nurses are poop up the place. Go a courthouse, me and see them run away. Prisoner are poop up the place. Oh, what a stinkness. Only can catch my breath first. Holy stinkness. This scent is killing me. Don't put your face past nobody waste. Don't put your face past nobody waste. Don't put your face past nobody waste. I me say mind them putting on your face. Go hospital and me and sit down on the wheel. Nurses and doctors are poop up the place. Patients them a poop up the place. God damn disgrace. Oh, what a thing. Scent is killing me.
How you get a guy in a bowl for your teeth, Diva?
Oh, what a thing. Scent is killing me. Oh, Lord, no. Holy stinkness. Scent is killing me.
Third verse. It's still live. Third verse.
Can't find the third verse, I'll no beat up.
No, there.
You did it.
Easy the man say third verse there, man.
Yeah.
You have to hold back something.
Yeah. Ready now.
Alright. Woman expensive. What a girl expensive. If you see her driving a brand new car, feel like you can take her on. She's expensive. What a girl expensive. No gold digger. You know what I mean? No gold digger, she's expensive.
No gold
When you
digger.
see me driving on my auto, my big Babylon, them can't charge me to steal. I and I ex.
You can't name the automobile.
I and I ex. No, we can't let it.
Yeah, you're live in concert, you know. You know, the studio, they're live. Don't worry, we'll mix it. That's if DJ the tune straight. DJ the tune straight, make a mix it. Viva. Man, them say when you get that guy and gold for your team.
There she go. Around the ring.
Yeah.
Around. Where the guy, where the man, where the woman. Around the ring.
Yeah.
And if you see her, way over yonder.
You know, yo, I want one and I feel like Rasnala can sing better than this man, you know. Catch Rasnala on the one buckler video, what do you? Rasnala bigger singer than this man. Rasnala!
Yeah, give us some. Yeah, give us something. Yeah, give us something. See that.
Okay, right.
They call me Naldo. Some call me Naldo. Everywhere I go, I hear the people them a shout. Oh, it's a wonder. Strana boy turn entertainer. Whoa, yeah. All right. Further on in the news.
People, this is Sandy Star, and right now she there, junk like a bat, mash
Me
up.
not junk like a bad.
Me
In
and
the
her
morning, I know
party, she
myself.
mash
I
right
know
out.
myself.
Watch
I
her,
just
look
run
on
the
her.
blood
Right
clot
now she
police
not
wire.
have no use. The man not even want to see her. Poor soul.
No, you can't do
Look
that.
on her,
Me
eh?
not go on that then. But this year,
Look
this
on
year.
her. 9
The
minutes
man
to
them
6
blood
and
clot,
Sandy
babe.
Star can't go eat
The
to
man
her
them
man.
blood
Look on
clot, babe,
her.
and me and bury a part.
Eh?
Our police come and say, post master, he's on a blood clot. We run around here. Me and bury run.
You're a refugee, yeah, so. You're a blood clot refugee. You're a blood clot, G. You have a dress here, man, eh? You're a refugee. You're a refugee. Where you live? You see your squatters. You're squatters.
Tell your friend I said
You're
my blood clot
squatters.
squatter.
You
Me a
are
big
you
blood
are squatters. Because you're not an address here, so.
Fuck them never know. So Barry did get to work. So Barry get to work, yeah. Security work. Doing tests and everything. See it there? Pass your test down, Barry. Security work. Nobody can come in a scheme. Gated community. See it there? Now gated community, Barry. Barry has security. Barry has the security. See him there? Work turn up. You have on your uniform, Barry. Them can't stop you. Next week you get paid.